Birken chicken, a unique culinary phrase. Hello and welcome, language enthusiasts. Today, we'll unravel the mystery behind a fascinating English phrase, Birken chicken. Not only will we decode its meaning, but we'll also dive into its cultural significance and how it's used in everyday conversation. Let's embark on this flavorful linguistic journey. At first glance, Birken chicken might puzzle you. Is it about beer? Is it about chicken? It's actually about both. Birken chicken refers to a popular cooking method where a whole chicken is roasted or grilled while standing upright on a partially full can of beer. The beer steam helps to cook the chicken from the inside, resulting in a moist and flavorful meat. This phrase is not just about food. It's a cultural icon in barbecue and outdoor cooking. The exact origins of Birken chicken are a bit hazy, but it's widely believed to have roots in American barbecue culture. The method gained popularity as a simple, yet effective way to infuse flavor and retain the moisture of the chicken while cooking. Over time, it has become a staple at many outdoor gatherings, symbolizing a fun and casual approach to dining. While Birken chicken is primarily a culinary term, it can pop up in everyday conversation, especially in contexts involving barbecue, outdoor cooking, or American cuisine. For instance, someone might say, "We're having a barbecue this weekend, and I'm planning to make Birken chicken." It's a phrase that conveys not just a cooking method, but also a sense of communal enjoyment and casual dining. Birken chicken isn't just a recipe, it's a cultural phenomenon. It represents a laid-back, innovative, and communal approach to cooking. It's often associated with summer, outdoor gatherings, and a fun, experimental spirit in the kitchen or on the grill. Embracing this dish is like embracing a part of American culinary culture. And there you have it, the essence of Birken chicken, demystified. It's more than just a recipe. It's a reflection of culture, innovation, and communal joy. We hope this video has enriched your understanding of this unique culinary phrase. Happy learning, and even happier cooking!